Today we're going to show you how to use the steaming vessel for your microwave. Now the steaming vessel comes in 3 different sections: the lid, the insert, and the base. And we're going to show you how to put it all together and steam your vegetables. To use your steamer vessel, you want to put a half a cup of water in the bottom of the base. You put your insert on top, and then you put your broccoli or whatever food you're using to steam inside. Now what the base does, actually what the insert does, is it keeps your food from floating in the water. And of course the water is going to create the steam, and then you're going to place it inside the microwave. Now make sure when you put your steamer vessel inside your microwave, you're putting it on top of the glass turntable. Okay, once you have your vegetables inside the microwave, you're going to push Steam Cook, and you'll see various items scroll up. And we are cooking frozen vegetables. So we're going to push the number 3 and automatic steam. And we'll hit the start button. Now be sure to use an oven mitt because they are going to be hot. Now another thing to be aware of is do not lift the lid off because the steam will disrupt the sensors inside the microwave. So there we go.
Use caution when removing the lid.
And your broccoli is ready to serve.
The steamer vessel will become hot. Always use oven mitts or pot holders when handling. The steamer vessel is designed to be used only in the microwave oven. To avoid damaging the steamer vessel, do not use in a conventional or combination type oven with any other convection or crisp function, or on an electric or gas burner. Do not use plastic wrap or aluminum foil when covering the food. Always use the steamer on the glass turntable. Check that the turntable turns freely before starting the microwave oven. Do not remove the lid while the bowl is inside the microwave oven, as the rush of steam will disrupt the sensor settings. To avoid scratching, use plastic utensils. Do not overfill with water. See the steam chart on the steam cooking section for the amount of water recommended. And always use your use and care guide. Use caution when taking hot items out of the microwave. Only adults or children under adult supervision should take items out of a microwave.